Oh, sige. Tapos ulam. Gawa na sushi. Japanese style.
Dapat inahan natin yung seaweeds.
Seaweeds nga. Wala seaweeds eh.
Next time.
Sige. Next time buy tayo seaweeds. Meron ko pa dyan.
Alin mo na. Ano na natin.
Agisa na yan.
Alin itong seaweeds.
O, kadami naman.
Done.
Get it to.
I don't eat it. Because it's so big.
Sabi ko na sa'yo eh. So big eh.
Again. Put it on your mouth. Yung kaya mo lang.
Wait.
Hmm?
There you go. You can have it.
Sige.
Ah.
Ganon?
Yummy.